What is a pelvic wand? A pelvic wand is a medical device often recommended by pelvic floor therapists to help you treat pelvic floor muscles at home. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Some are bendable, like the Intimate Rose, or a Serenity wand, while others are more rigid, like the Soul Source, the V-Well, and some have vibration features. Some can be cooled in the fridge or warmed underwater. These custom options help you reach different areas comfortably and tailor the experience to your body's needs. Wands are made from medical grade silicone or acrylic and can be used both vaginally and rectally. They're designed to help you release areas of tenderness or muscle tension, and they're commonly used for self-manual therapy under the guidance of a qualified pelvic health professional. What are pelvic wands used for? A pelvic wand can help address a variety of concerns, including tailbone pain, coccydynia, tight or tender pelvic floor muscles, tension myalgia, anal or rectal pain, sometimes described as a golf ball feeling, and issues like anismus, where relaxing the anal sphincter is tricky, whether during a bowel movement or during anal play. It can also help with vaginismus, painful vaginal intercourse due to muscle tension, pain with ejaculation or erections, bladder pain, pain with urination, and even hip pain. The key is knowing how to use the wand safely and intentionally, which is exactly what I'll guide you through today. In this live model tutorial, I'll focus on using a wand for anal pain, tailbone pain, hip pain, pain with urination, erections, or ejaculation. Want to see step-by-step demos including how to use a pelvic wand for tailbone pain and anal pain, plus safe internal techniques? Those are available exclusively on my Patreon. Huge thanks to all my Patreon members for making this possible, with a special shout out to our super fans for going the extra mile to support this work.